Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the educational foodies. Myself Sudarshan Panda. In the previous video, we had done the formulas of derivatives. Today we'll do the problems of derivatives. So let's start our video. Okay. So the first problem is this. Okay. So how you know the formulas of dy dx of uv. So you know u into dy dx of b plus b into d use derivative. So x into dy dx of log x plus log x into dy dx of x derivative. You know x into dy dx of log x means 1 by x plus log x into x x derivative into 1. So cut this x, so it will be 1 plus log x. Okay, I think you understand this first problem. So note that. So friends, I hope that you note that problem. If you cannot note that, you can pause this video and note that. So the next problem is dy dx of log x. You know the formula dy dx of log x. X means 1 by x, so it will be 1 by x square into x square derivative. So 1 by x square into x square derivative, you know that x to the power n formula means into 2x. 2x to minus 1 by x square into 2x into 2 to the minus 1 means 2x. So x will be cancelled. So 2 by x. You please note that formula. You please note this problem. Okay. So friends, this problem is x equals to t square. So differentiating both sides with respect to t. I have written with respect to t because it is t square. If it is x, then it will be with respect to y. If it is z, with respect to z. Okay. So this will be dx by dt. Is it dx by dt? Because it is here, so dy dt of x means dx by dt. You cannot write dy dt of x means 1 because it is t. If it is dy dx of x, then it will be 1. So equals to d by t of t square. So dx by dt is to you know the formula of t square means t to the power n or x to the power n. It's the same formula. This way, and another is y equals to log t. So this will be same dy by dt because it has same. I have tell you in this formula. Okay, no dy by dt of log t. This will be dy by dt. You know the formula of dy dt of log t means 1 by t or dy dx or log x, it is the same formula. So this will be find dy by dx, means dy by dx we had get means dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt 1 by t and by dx by dt 2t. Why dy by dx means dt cancel, and this will be 1 by t into 1 by 2t. So this will be 1 by 2t square. This is the answer. You please note down. You please note this problem, friends. So friends, this is the another problem. So this is the problem is x equals to, I have tell you in the previous problem, it is also same. See the x equals to a cos theta. I have tell you theta means with differentiating both sides with respect to theta, because it is here theta. So I think I hope I cannot write again, so I am not writing because we have to do faster. Okay, so dx by d theta equals to, I tell you a cos theta means constant into coefficient. I tell you beginning in the previous video. So a into d by d theta of cos theta. So you know the formula, dx by d theta equals to a into cos d by d theta of cos theta means you know the formula, a to minus sin theta. So minus a sin theta. Okay, another one is y equals to a sin theta. So this also same. I have tell you dy by d theta into dy d theta of sin theta. One thing is mistake, friends. I threw it. It will be a of minus sin theta. Oh, it is same. It is right. I have mistake. Minus a sin theta. Okay, and this is a into d by d theta of sin theta will be a into cos theta. D by d theta of sin theta, you know the formula, cos theta, or the into d by dx of sin x is to cos x. So it also same, you know, in the previous problem I had done the same. Dy by dx, dy by d theta equals to dy by d theta equals to a cos theta. I had tell you in the previous problem, it will be cancelled, d theta or dt. So it will be cancelled, a will be cancelled. So minus cot theta, you know the formula of trigonometry, cos theta by sin theta means cot theta. So it is here minus, so minus cot theta. It is the answer, dy by dx. So note this problem, friends. So friends, our next problem is this. So see, find the derivative of tan x with respect to sin x. Means this same. We have to see, let y equals to tan x. You can think, but you can think let z equals to tan x. This also same. Let a equals to sin x. Let p equals to sin x. You can anything think. So I am thinking let y equals to tan x, and this I am thinking let z equals to sin x. Okay, then derivative it is same. I have tell you in the previous problems. So this x means differentiating both sides with respect to x. I have tell you in the previous one, so I am not writing again and again. So dy by dx equals to dy dx of tan x. So friends, let's see dy dx of tan x dy dx of tan x. See, note the formula sec square x, and here it will be dz by dx equals to dy dx of sin x. So it is the formula sin x dy dx of sin x means cos x. So then derivative dy by dz. So you have to first write dy by dx in order, but I am again telling what is the formula. Dy by dx means sec square x by dz by dx will be cos x. Okay, so this is the answer, and you can cancel it. So please note down the problem. So friends, our next problem is find the derivative of 10 to the power x with respect to 5x square. Means with respect to so I have written in the short form. Okay, so let's go. In the previous problem it is same also. So let y equals to 10 to the power x, and this is let z equals to 5x square. Same problem. You know what will be the it is. I am not writing again and again, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay, so dy by dx, so dy by dx equals to dy dx of 10 to the power x. So friends, you know the formula of dy dx of 10 to the power x. It is the formula of dy dx of 8 to the power x. So what will be the formula? 10 to the power x into log base 10. Okay, and this will be same thing, dz by dx equals to constant into coefficient, means constant will be outside, 5 into dy dx of x square. So it is the formula will be dz by dx equals to 5 into dy dx of x square means x to the power n formula. So it will be 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1. So it will be 10x. So dy by dz, this is the same process. We have to first write dy by dx by dz by dx equals to what will happen? 10 to the power x log base 10 by 10x. Okay, it is the answer. So you please friends note this. Hurry up. So friends, our next problem is this: y equals to x plus root over a square plus a square whole n. Then prove that dy by dx equals to ny by root over x square plus a square. So how will do it? So we'll take both sides log. One minute, friends. This pen is not moving. So taking both sides log. Okay. So this n will be come out here in then derivative. This n is constant, you know the formula. Constant will be here. So log y means, so differentiating both sides with respect to x. I have not to tell you again and again. You know that. I will do it. So log y means 1 by y into dy by dx. You know how it is. And n into, here it is n into 1 by then you have to derivative these things in the bracket, inside the bracket, into dy by dx of x means, you know, 1 plus, and root of dy by dx of root x means, you know, the 1 by root 2 x, 1 by 2 root x. So it will be 1 by 2 and this root over, under the root over, this will be derivative. X square means into 2x, and a square will be deleted because it is constant. You know that if it is constant, then this will be divided of constant means equals to 0. So 2 will be cancelled. So n into 1 by into, so this you do this, how you do it, you know that how you do it. So root over x square sorry friends, I am rub this by mistake, into root over x square plus x by root over x square plus a square. You I think you know this formula. You know this how you do it because you know in children root over square plus square will be here plus x because it is the LCM. So I am cutting this because 1 by 1 means you will cut, and this is the one. So dy by dx and y will be ny root over square plus square. So how I do it? So we taking first both side log, then it will be derivative. N is constant, so n will be constant, and then will derivative. Then I will derivative. So this is the formula, and this is prove it. This proved. If you face any problem, you can comment me. And if any problem in my writing or you cannot understand my writing, you can comment me in YouTube. Okay, means in video. Okay, so this problem is last in this video. So you note this, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also drop a like, comment, share, and views also, and also share all your friends and relatives. So till now our video is complete for today, and please be stay home and stay safe because this is the danger time on account of coronavirus, because coronavirus is spreading to all over the world. So if you can stay home and stay safe, then it is better for you all. Okay, so let's our video is complete. So till now, so bye bye friends, we will meet in the previous video. Okay, thank you.